In 5 minutes or less, I want to show you how you can create the Ghibli studio style for whatever image. And it is quite simple and straightforward. All you have to do is to come to ChatGPT, and you can do this on your smartphone or on your PC, whatever tool is available to you and accessible to you. If you are using your smartphone, all you have to do is to go to whatever browser you are using, but then change it from the normal mode to the desktop mode, right? So change it to the desktop site if you are using a smartphone, right? So that you would be able to achieve it. And yeah, so but then for this video I am using my PC, like you can see already. And all you have to do is just to click on plus, right? Then click on add photos and files. Then this brings me to a folder containing some images, right? So these are some of my images, and I'm just going to pick this. I'm just going to pick this, and all you have to do is to wait for it to upload. And then you type recreate this, recreate this in the Ghibli. I don't know if that's the right word. Ghibli mode. Yeah. So let's wait for it to recreate this in the Ghibli mode. So let's wait for it to create this. This is the image, just so you can see that this is what the image looks like. One of my images. And so let's wait for what it is going to give us as the Ghibli, or the Ghibli mode, or the Ghibli version of it. Let's wait for that. Okay. All right. All right. I'm actually loving this. See the original image, right? And then we have this as the Ghibli version. Right, look at this is the Ghibli version. All right, let me download this. This is so nice, right? So it is actually very straightforward and very simple. All you have to do is just to upload the image, and then you have, all right, this is it. This is it. So all you have to do is just to upload the image to ChatGPT, and then you have recreate this in the Ghibli mode, or it could be recreate this picture, produce the Ghibli version of this picture. It could be anything around that. You can recreate it with that, or if you want a straightforward feedback, right? If you don't want, if you just want to have a straightforward experience with it, you can just copy this, right? You can just copy this my prompt and just give it that, and so it's going to give you exactly what you requested from, right? And I think that's just that about this video. So now nobody can prepare you again, because you can easily just recreate yours. Now if you are using the free version of ChatGPT, you might be restricted to maybe just being able to do like maybe 2 versions of this per day, right? But then if you are using the plus version, or if you have access to the plus version, what that means is that you are going to have unlimited access to actually getting as much Ghibli images as possible. And that's just the difference. But then you can still achieve this even on the free version of ChatGPT. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to give this video a like, right? That's the thumbs up. And also subscribe if you haven't, and share this video with at least one person, so that they would also learn what you have learned. Drop a comment if you watch this video up to this point. I want to be sure that you actually watched the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one.